Cheryl Coe, North Penn Legal Services. In 1975, while attending the Williamsport School of Commerce, Cheryl Coe asked the school to administer final exams 2 weeks early so she could start a temporary job at Northern Pennsylvania Legal Services, filling in for a secretary who was taking a 3-month maternity leave. 36 years later, Cheryl is still there, now serving with the successor organization, North Penn Legal Services. Cheryl began her legal services career as a secretary in the Towanda office when typewriters and carbon paper were the technology of the day. She fondly recalls the first office copier with rolls of shiny papers that had to be cut to length, and finally a computer, one for the entire office to share, which was okay because no one wanted to use it. Today, the legal aid office can't function without one. Cheryl has seen many changes over the years while evolving from a receptionist and secretary to intake worker, case management specialist, and office manager. During her tenure, she has worked with over 50 attorneys, paralegals, support staff, and volunteers in the offices of North Penn, with warmth and enthusiasm, assisting everyone by answering phones, conducting intakes, typing, and supporting the staff by putting out various office and client-related fires. Co-workers marvel at her ability to multitask, as well as the professional kindness and patience she demonstrates toward every client, even those who enter the office angry or frustrated by their legal problems. In 2002, Cheryl made a gutsy career move that made more use of her talents, transforming from a behind-the-scenes office manager and secretary to an advocate representing clients with issues involving Social Security and Social Security disability. NPLS attorneys recall witnessing Cheryl as wide-eyed and nervous about speaking before a judge and having her client's fate in her hands. But in true Cheryl style, it seemed like only a week or two passed before she was joking on the phone with the administrative law judges, some of whom had the reputation of being quite crotchety. As a paralegal, Cheryl has done incredible things with impossible cases. She's won many cases that many attorneys felt would not be won. She's saved, recovered, or helped her clients collect money that was due to them time and time again. Since September 2002, Cheryl has helped clients receive over $1.2 million in benefits and avoid over $92,000 in debt. She has earned the respect and gratitude of clients, receiving numerous thank you cards. One client continues to send her cards every holiday, even though her case was resolved years ago. When the client's case was closed favorably, she told Cheryl, "I'll never forget what you did for me," and she hasn't. Cheryl represents old-school legal services idealism and zeal to serve the underserved. She regularly reaches out to the client communities by participating in numerous community events, such as the Area Agency on Aging Senior Picnic, the Sullivan County Fair, senior centers, as well as Head Start presentations with Bill McLaughlin and Kathy Rusk. Cheryl also serves as a board member for the Abuse Rape Crisis Center and as a participant on the local housing options team, as well as providing leadership to NPLS's disability and public benefits law groups. By word and deed, Cheryl Coe has dedicated her professional career to people who have nowhere else to turn for help and is a most deserving recipient of the 2011 Pennsylvania Legal Aid Network Excellence Award.